We'll guide you through how to fix Roblox connection errors or problems. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. These can be really annoying as you're then unable to get playing the game, so we'll guide you through some different fixes you can try. So to get started, press search at the bottom and go and type in run. Go and click on this here. You need to go and type in percentage local app data percentage and press OK, and this will then go and open up. Go and scroll down here until you can go and find the option for Roblox and you can come into this folder. Press Ctrl A to select everything and you can right click and you can then go and press delete. This will go and clear this. When it's cleared, you can close it, try seeing if the problem's now solved. If it still isn't, make sure you're not connected to a VPN, press the start button and press settings. Then you want to go to the left to network and internet, you can press VPN. If you see one connected here, go and turn it off. If you use a different app, make sure you disconnect from it. Next, if that still doesn't solve the problem, you want to go and press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in view network connections and go and open this up. Find the one you're using. So in this case, I'm using Ethernet, double click on it. You then want to go and press properties in the bottom left and you need to go and double click on Internet Protocol version 4. We're going to use a DNS. So press use the following DNS address, type in 8.8.8.8, then type in 8.8.4.4. Press OK and press OK. Now what you can try doing is seeing if the problem's solved. If it still isn't, you want to go and press the Windows button at the bottom and press settings. Go to the left and you want to go and press network and internet. Scroll down to advanced network settings and you can then scroll down to network reset. What you want to try doing is a reset. So press reset now and confirm your decision. This will reset your network settings and hopefully that will solve it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future. Goodbye for now.